Hello, welcome back. I am answering Preeti's questions. Apologize if I pronounced it incorrectly. Preeti asks how to stay organized when we're using a planner for academic purposes, but not for everyday tasks. That's a very good question. So here are some tips to look out for in a planner to stay organized for academic. Your planner, it doesn't matter what planner you have, must have monthly and also weekly pages. Bonus point if it does come with daily pages. Monthly pages. So why is it important to have monthly pages in your planner? So monthly pages act as the master page. This is where you quickly glance over to see which homework, which project is due. It's also perfect for writing down future due dates in here. Anything that has a due date, write it down in your monthly pages. Next, weekly pages. Weekly pages are just as important as the monthly pages. Why? Because it dictates how well you'll be productive throughout this week. First thing you want to do is set up some time to write down all the due dates in these weekly pages. This includes event, homework, and even exams. After that, at the beginning of the week, usually on Monday or Sunday, you will look over all your due dates, which project or homework takes the longest to complete. Next, you will also ask yourself which one is due very soon. Based on the information you have written down, analyze how long does it take you to complete one task, and if that is to complete your homework. If it helps, you can also write down the estimated time beside the due date. After that, it gives you some idea how long it takes you to complete some tasks. Plan and organize when you should spend your precious time and go from there. This is called time management. Again, planner should be a tool to make your life easier. Use it until you figure out which method works for you and go from there. Hope this helps. See you later.